As you come out from the left hand side of the Fateh Mosque, आपको ये रोड मिलेगी जहाँ पे आपको सारी Syrian shops मिलती हैं. You just get your donors and pilafs there.
Ringili, yeah, color, yeah.
Are they with the tray or without the tray?
Needs a whole set.
With the tray, 800. Without the tray, 600.
Okay, so it's probably nice. It's just too strong. It just hits too hard. It just hits too hard. Look at these ones, guys. They are like Syrian Jordanian clothes. We've got some from Jordan last time we were in Jordan. So yeah, यहाँ से आप ये भी ले सकते हैं. Friends, so I am outside the turbasi of the Fateh Sultan Mehmed. Ji haan, the Fateh who actually conquered Constantinople and made it nowadays Istanbul. And like all the turbasi, there is also a mosque adjacent to the turbasi, which is called Fateh Sultan Mehmed Mosque. It's a very beautiful mosque to visit, and it was commissioned by Sultan Suleiman the Magnificent, and the architect of this mosque is also the Sinan Pasha. So आइए हम चलते हैं. We will do a visit to the Mehmed Sultan turbasi and pray our duroods. And again, if you want to know about the mosque, I will show you a little bit here and there, and the inside of the mosque is on my channel previous videos, so don't forget to go and have a look at them. So आइए चलते हैं. This is how. Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Rabbil alamin arrahmanir rahim. Iyyaka na'budu wa iyyaka nasta'in. Ihdinas siratal mustaqim. This is the turbasi of Sultan Fateh Mehmed ki wife. So we are just going to do the Fateh here. Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Rabbil alamin arrahmanir rahim. Malik yawmiddin. Iyyaka na'budu wa iyyaka nasta'in. Ihdinas siratal mustaqim. Siratal ladzina an'amta alaihim. As you come out from the left hand side of the Fateh Mosque, आपको ये रोड मिलेगी जहाँ पे आपको सारी Syrian shops मिलती हैं. You just get your donors and pilafs there. Oh, look at the kitties! They're enjoying their meal, aren't they? Oh, वही ना, ज़ाया करने की बजाय ऐसे डाल दो तब भी इनका बेचारों का पेट भर जाता है. अल्लाह ताला इनको अपने ज़मान में रखे. So these are all the cheeses. You know what these are? Pastas, eggs, your usual dry fruits. That's your donas. There's borachi. Pancake. Jab. Look at the pancakes. Dhuandhar. Look at them. घर लेके जाते हैं ये देखे टेक आउट ओह वाओ stay away from them dates Erzurumgide the sweet shop तो यहाँ पे आपको सारा सोना भी मिलेगा I'm sure you get better prices here of stuff than the Grand Bazaar because this is more local और पता क्या है all the tourists don't come here even all the Muslim tourists don't come here very few would come to this area सारे locals ही घूम रहे हैं इधर so it's like a local bazaar oh गोश्त की दुकान उनके ड्राई फ्रूट्स अगैन सूटकेस चाहिए सामान ज़्यादा हो गया है तो वो भी आप ख़रीद लें यहाँ से Oh, you have these cups. The kahwa cups. I don't know which ones. I like these. Or are there two like sultani?
Sultani.
Both are sultani ho gaya. This is still okay. I don't mind this one. है ना?
I hope you can drink it now.
Of course you can do. They're not for decoration only. नहीं, you can. Abi, Nekidar? The coffee cups though, है ना? Are these kahwa or coffee? These are nice too. I like these ones. These, they are nice. Coffee. काबिल भी ठीक है सीधा काबिल भी यूज़ करेंगे एंड हाउ मच इज़ दिस 800 with कितने बनते हैं just gonna calculate 800 इनमें से ये वाले भी these are 800 as well हैं ज़्यादा तो नहीं है
this
nice very nice
Ringili, color,
Are they with the tray or without the tray?
needs a whole set
with the tray, 800. Without the tray, 600.
okay 600 without the tray ਦੇ ਨਾਲ ਸੋਨੇ ਜਾਵ ਲੱਗ ਰਿਹਾ ਅਸੀਂ ਇੱਦਾਂ ਦੇ ਹੈਗੇ 6 ਨਾਲ ਸਾਡਾ ਗੁਜ਼ਾਰਾ ਵੀ ਨਹੀਂ ਹੁੰਦਾ ਵਾਲੇਕੁਮ अस्सलाम This one is nice too, isn't it? It's on a stand. And then you get these. These are new styles, like you can keep them warm. The chai. I really love these. Jab, they have that one in golden too. So even before you buy, just check around other shops as well. So we are going to have a look if there are any more shops similar to that and see the price. Men only need a kala tagga on it. It's all for women. This one. These ones, Jab.
They're huge.
I know. So these are the wooden items for you. Oh, मसालों के डब्बे के चमचे क्यूट है ना अब्बू के लिए सोटी हर दफ़ा हम देखते हैं we can't take that home और अब्बू का ओह बर्तन these are they not बर्तन are they
No, it's good.
I like these at times. बहुत हल्के हैं these are for serving stuff या डेकोरेशन के लिए है ना जो किचन में रखने के लिए for your kitchen roll A bit too fancy, isn't it?
Ok, no te voy a colgar. No te voy, era mentira. No, pero,
उस बंदे के अच्छे थे.
era mentira, te estaba bromeando. ¿Qué vas a hacer hoy?
ये सारा कुकिंग स्टफ. ये सादा वाले कप्स हैं इसके पास. Don't need this plain ones. I can get the plain ones in Manchester. No design bar. No, आम नहीं मैंने इन्हें पसंद.
No.
So we are still in the bazaar. What we've thought is we'll just go to Aminunu and have a look at them cups instead. वहाँ पे ज़्यादा variety होगी. There will be more shops there because I haven't found any other shop here. These are nice. Oh, Jab, do you remember these? Yeah, we bought these in Syria when we went, and we never ever found them in Damascus. Salam alaikum. Where are these sweets from? English. Do you speak English at all? Where are these from?
Which country?
No.
Are they
Syria?
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 Evet, Suriye.
Halab.
Halep.
If we buy mix, how do you give price on mix?
Mix. Like two.
Two.
How much?
इनके कप्स देखो. No, how much?
How much?
How much?
इनके कप्स देखें. ये कॉफी कप्स हैं. They are kahwa cups there.
Dolar amma TL? Turk.
Turk, yeah.
Turk.
15.
Super.
One. One is 15. Ah, okay, 15
ठीक.
Turkish lira for one. Okay.
ला लो लेनी है ते. Oh. अबे कॉफी और कहवा. कहवा. How much? चलो जो इधर कहवा ले वो. So we're gonna get this sweet is 15 Turkish lira each. You can choose whichever you want. Yes, go on two. And we are gonna have this drink. रेत में बनाते हैं. Look at that. Ooh. That's shukarlar. Jav, go on. It's coffee. मेरे लिए it's too hot. I'm not gonna have it yet. I need it to cool down.
Okay, 1, 2, and
So guys, I'm gonna do a taste test on this Syrian sweet with the Arabic kahwa. Bismillah ar-Rahman ar-Rahim. I don't know how I feel about this sweet. बर्फी लग रही है a bit. It's so sour, but it's probably nice. It's just too strong. It just hits too hard. It just hits too hard. You drink this first and then have that. मैंने आपकी. What do you think?
nice.
It's less strong. It tastes less stronger than the Turkish coffee though. But he's calling it kahwa, so I'm not quite sure. He says it's Arabic kahwa. So this is the shop, Bin Haldun Kahvesi, when you come to Fateh area in Istanbul, and you won't be disappointed with the sweets, I have to say. Do you want to buy some to take home?
They all Turkish delights if you press it. It's actually Turkish delight inside it.
But menu yaad aa, we did buy them at Halab. Wali si. But they still, like you said, they're Turkish delights. And even at that point when we bought them, like, 2010 in Syria, we bought them, we didn't know they were Turkish delights. It could be first encounter to these kinds of sweets. So no memories of it being like Turkish delight because we never had Turkish delights before that. But it was nice experience, nice, and alhamdulillah we paid like 50. One thing is, he did say to me it's 10 Turkish lira the coffee, but then he afterwards said no, it's 20. So chalo, it doesn't matter. हमारे लिए it's not a big problem. चलो अल्लाह ताला इनको बरकत दे, इनकी ज़िंदगियों में आसानियाँ पैदा करे और इनके कारोबार यूँ ही चलते चलते रहें. चलो जी, चलते हैं to the next destination. अच्छा guys, we are about to exit this road now. और ना हम main road पे आ गए फाते पे, where a lot of everybody do ask me where I get my modest clothing from, and this is the road. I'll show you. They are all the shops. Actually, it is on the other side of the road, so I am going to cross the road to just quickly glimpse through these shops, and then we'll be making our way back towards the old city. That is the street we've just come out from, and that is the Fateh Mosque. So you know exactly where I am on all these places. Some of these are very high-end designer shops, and some you will find quite like decently priced shops, and I am not going to go in the designer shops, of course. I'm going to look at some आम से humble से price के कपड़े. चले देखते हैं. Look at these ones, guys. They are like Syrian Jordanian clothes. We've got some from Jordan last time we were in Jordan. So yeah, यहाँ से आप ये भी ले सकते हैं. There's a side road and there is this shop. मैं इसके अंदर जाऊँगी. I'm gonna have a look here. I think we have shopped in here before. I don't know if they let me film though, but this is the shop. Okay, काफ़ी प्राइस है. मुझे लगी 1400 का. उस दिन मैं सस्ते लेके आई हूँ मॉडर्निसा से. So yeah, I think it's probably not for me either. That's nice though. I like them. They're काफ़ी महंगे हैं. There's Alvina. Alvina में जाऊँ? If you are in Istanbul and you see one of these or Jan Burger, they are जगह पे हैं. They are in not Sultan Ahmed but Old City as well. This is Fateh, as you know, and I've always also had it in Ayub Sultan. So do try it. It's quite nice. अच्छा burger है. And the tea shop. There's gone in Arabian Oud. Look at these wedding dress shops. This is a place where all the Turkish girls shop, or like I asked Aysun the other day, but she says online is good, so they don't really need to even go anywhere to shop anymore, so you just buy from online and good to go. Dress. The kids shop for party wear. पर्दों वाली दुकान. Oh, there's another shop. I may go in there called Matarapji Jayim. Buying some woolen cords.